Hello students, today we will see how we will draw number root 2 on a number line. As you all know, root 2 is an irrational number. Now what is irrational number? The number which are not rational are called irrational number, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, like that. Okay, now this number root 2 you have to show on a number line. So let's see how we will draw a root 2 on a number line. For this, first we will draw a number line. See, this is a number line. In number line, you all know here 0 and positive and negative numbers are there. Then we will start from 0 here, and from that we will mark some equal distance, means unit. Then here I am taking 2 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. See, this is 2 centimeter, like this we will mark here. Here the each consecutive distance is known as is equal, that is 2 centimeter. You can take 3 centimeter. Okay, here I am taking as 2 centimeter. The each unit is equals to 2 centimeter. Here I am giving the name it as A. This is 0. This is 0 and 0, and here 1, here 2, 3 and 4, like that. Okay, and here the distance between these two is 1 unit. Here I am giving this as this point is known as this coordinate 0 coordinate is we are giving here name O, and here 1 I am giving here name as A. Now from this is a 1 unit. Now you have to make a perpendicular from this point A. For this we will use our protractor. I will keep protractor over here point A and mark 90-degree angle, like this, and I will join this point now. In the next step I will take this distance, means distance OA, on a rounder. I will keep the still point on O and the pencil tip on A, like that. This is a distance 1 unit, and after that this distance I will mark over here, means I will keep still point on A and the pencil tip over here and mark the point here. Now this is a perpendicular distance. This is here the line I am giving it as name L, and here the point I am giving it as name B. Now I will join the point O and point B. Now this is a triangle OAB, and OAB is a right angle triangle. Then we will apply Pythagoras theorem on this triangle. As you all know, what is Pythagoras theorem? Right here Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. Now OB is a hypotenuse. OB is a hypotenuse. OB square equals to OA square, one side square plus other side square, that is AB square. Now this OA is a 1 unit. 1 unit, the distance between this OA is 1 unit, and the distance is same. Then here also it is 1 unit. Then we will put the value over here, that is OA is 1 square and AB is 1 square. 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1, that is 2. Then OB square is equals to 2 and OB is equals to root 2. Means this OB, this hypotenuse is root 2. Now what will be the next thing? Now move to the next step. You have to take this distance OB in your compass like this. See, and I will mark one arc over here. Now the point you will get here, this is your root 2, and you give the name it as C. Means your OC is the root 2. The distance of this is OC is root 2. Okay. Now the construction for this root 2 is completed. Now we will move to the next, that is to show the number root 3 on a number line. And the next here you have to show the number root 3 on a number. See, this is number root 3 in a number line. For this you have to construct the till here. Means here you know the point root 2, and after that you will move to the next step. Means from this point C, again you will draw a perpendicular. Again you will draw a perpendicular. Means 90-degree angle. And here I am giving this line as name M. Okay. Now the distance OA is 1 unit. That you have to take on your compass like this. See, and after that from C we will mark 1 unit arc over here and give this point as name D, and after that join OD. Okay, OD. Now this is your, now this is another right angle triangle, that is triangle OCD. Now we will apply the Pythagoras theorem on this triangle OCD. Means in triangle OCD, and in this OD is a hypotenuse, then we will write OD square is equals to OC square plus CD square. Now OC is root 2. The distance between this O and C is root 2. Then here we will put the value of OC is root 2 square and CD is 1 unit. Then here we will put 1 square. Root 2 square is 2 and 1 square is 1, that is 3. Then OD is equals to, after taking the square root, here I will get the value of root 3. Then this is your OD. Then OD is, the value of OD is root 3. Means the hypotenuse is root 3. Then what will be the next thing? Then here you have to take the distance of OD and like this and mark 1 arc from over here. Then the point you will get on a number line, that is your root 3. Here you write root 3 and give this name as E. Means OE is the distance on a number line, that is the value of the length of this is root 3. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you. In the similar way, draw another number, that is root 5, root 7 on a number line. That is your homework. Thank you.